Okay, so here are the lyrics right there. So you can follow along as we listen to Who Takes a Fridge.
Okay, the lyrics are way too small for me to read.
There you go.
Screen door slammed, her car was packed. Left me with a couch and a broken stack, a record scratched and a busted chair. But the kitchen's empty and it ain't fair. She took the plates, she took the spoons, even the curtains from the dining room. Who takes a fridge? Who steals a coal? Left me here with a story untold. I can live without her, I can bridge that ridge. But seriously, honey, who takes a fridge? The ashtray's gone and the magnets too. No more leftovers, no more brew. She left the pantry, left the sink, but the fridge was gone before I could blink. She took the salt, she took the spice, she even left me the freezer's ice. Who takes a fridge? Who steals the coal? Left me here with a story untold. I can live without her, I can bridge that ridge. But seriously, honey, who takes a fridge?
All right.